loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. First thing first, I'd love to thank God for this far that He has been able to take me. Secondly, I love to thank each and every one of you guys. We are at 2K subscribers. I don't take this for granted. Aki, thank you to thank you to each and every one of you who has subscribed to my YouTube channel. Just yesterday I was at 400 and something. Right now we are at 2040, if I'm not wrong. So thank you so much. Thank you once again. I know I haven't been posting that much. My ring light, it's really messing me up. I'm thinking of getting a new one, but thank you so much. Okay, your girl is happy. Aki, thank you so much to each and every one of you who comments to my video, who watches my video, who shares, who likes. Aki, thank you so much. Who comes back to watch if I've uploaded a new video. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you once again. So today's on a Wednesday. Okay, just want to wash my utensils, clean the house, but first thing first, I want to go and get a good bath because I feel so tired. I also want to post some clothes on my Instagram page. I do sell thrift clothes, so you'll see each and everything. So let's keep on watching. Aki, thank you so much. 2K. What do you want me to give you guys? Mnataka niwape nini? Mnataka niwape nini? Aki, thank you so much. Thank you. I can't take this for granted, and I will never take it. Aki, thank you. I was at Quickmart. I do shop at Quickmart. Then nikapata hivi zikikuwa on offer. I don't know, it was going for 500 and something odd. And let me tell you, this body wash, this one, try it. If you get that time, try it. Actually, it's so good, by the way. It's so my kitchen, the way it's so dirty and messy. Just look at it. So let me boil water, then don't use of yum. I'll use hot water. I can't use So guys, my kitchen is clean. I've already cleaned my kitchen. As you can see, it's clean. My bed is made. Over this side, it's also organized. Yep, my carpet is clean. So guys, I've shown you, yeah, my house is clean. So what right now I want to start posting for my business, not bigger pictures, the remaining dresses that have not been sold, but nimefunga packages by the way. Let me show you this one and this one. So at the end of the video, I insert my business Instagram page, the screenshot. So for now, I just want to drink my Coke and then start posting for you guys on my Instagram page. Aki, follow me on Instagram page at Wanjiku, TikTok Wanjiku, Facebook Wanjiku. If you want to do business with me, baby, I'm open to give reviews on your products. You can send PR package to me. And then what else? Yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for the 2K subscribers. Thank you so much. You have a place in my heart, period. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye.